Frustrated by that file failed unknown server error message in Dropbox? Let's get your files syncing again, fast. The unknown server error often means Dropbox is having a temporary communication issue with its servers. Don't panic, in most cases, it's a quick fix. We'll go through a few simple steps to get you back on track. First, let's try the simplest solution, restarting Dropbox. Find the Dropbox icon in your computer system tray, usually at the bottom right, or in your menu bar at the top. Right-click on it. Now select Quit or Exit to completely close the Dropbox application. Once it's closed, wait about 10 seconds and then relaunch Dropbox by clicking its icon. See if the file starts syncing normally after that. If not, we'll move to the next step. Next, we need to ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, a shaky connection can lead to server errors. Click on your Wi-Fi icon or network connection to check its status. Try disconnecting from your network and then reconnecting. This can often refresh your connection and resolve minor glitches. After reconnecting, check Dropbox again. If the error persists, it's worth checking if Dropbox itself is experiencing any outages. Go to the Dropbox status page in your web browser. You can easily find it by searching for Dropbox status. This page will inform you if there are any widespread issues affecting the service. If everything is green, the problem is likely on your end or with a specific file. Back in your Dropbox folder, right-click on the file that's showing the error. Sometimes, there's an option to pause or resume syncing for that specific file. Try pausing it and then resuming it. If none of these steps work, a slightly more advanced step is to temporarily disable your Firewall or Antivirus software, as these can sometimes interfere with Dropbox's connection. Only do this if you're comfortable doing so, and remember to re-enable them immediately afterward. With these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve that file failed unknown server error and get your Dropbox syncing smoothly again. Happy syncing!